Rome makes a perfect 24-hour stopover if you're doing a longer Italy trip. Fly in, spend a day hitting the major landmarks and eating incredibly well, then head to Tuscany or wherever you're going next. It's enough time to experience the city without feeling rushed. Of course, if you have more time to spend, Rome is absolutely worth it. Here's how to do it. Rome has stood for 28 centuries. It's one of the oldest continuously occupied cities in Europe. Within its boundaries lies Vatican City, the smallest city in the world and the only example of a country existing within a city's boundaries. Rome is considered the cradle of Western civilization. Some call it the capital of the world. Where you stay really depends on what you want to be close to. You'll find major hotel chains, boutique properties, bed and breakfasts, and hostels throughout the city. Here's my biggest tip. Try to stay within a 5 or 10 minute walk of the Metro A line. This route hits most of the major landmarks. You can buy a 24-hour metro ticket for €7, making it the cheapest way to see the Colosseum, the Vatican, Spanish Steps, and the Trevi Fountain. If you've never been to Rome, I highly recommend the hop-on, hop-off bus. It has air conditioning on the lower level and shade covers on the top open-air level, making it comfortable even on the hottest days. The full tour takes just under 2 hours if you stay on the entire time. You can also step off at any of the sites for as long as you want and then catch the next bus when it comes around. During peak times, buses come by every 15 to 20 minutes. When you buy your ticket, you receive a set of headphones so you can listen to the narrated history in over a dozen languages. The pamphlet they give you includes an easy-to-read map of all the sites and stops. Here's what I recommend. Consider doing the entire route once so you get an overview of everything, and then hop off wherever it strikes your fancy. The Vatican is best done earlier in the day when the lines are shorter. You can buy skip-the-line passes for anything you want to visit, but remember, the skip-the-line doesn't mean no line, it usually means a shorter line. Cafes, gelaterias, and pizzerias are more common in Rome than Starbucks in Seattle. You can't walk more than a few blocks without finding pizza that's better than anything you've eaten anywhere else. Be sure to order an Aperol Spritz, a refreshing mix of Prosecco and Aperol, which is an orange bitters, served over ice and garnished with an orange wedge. Whether you're a fan of pizza or pasta, eating both of these carb-heavy foods at least once in Rome is a must. You'll find the pizza crust is both crusty and chewy in a way that shouldn't work, but absolutely does. The al dente pasta borders on slightly underdone, but somehow it makes you feel like you've been eating pasta incorrectly your entire life. Simple ingredients like cherry tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, and basil can completely transform your understanding of what food can be. It is truly a gastronomic adventure. Here's a pro tip. The restaurants closest to the major landmarks tend to be packed with tourists. If you walk just a block or two down any side street, you'll find better quality food without the crowds. During the summer months, temperatures can hit over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. At most bus stops, you'll find vendors selling ice-cold bottled water. Many of them have been frozen, so there's a solid block of ice in the bottle. They usually charge €2 per bottle, but you don't have to accept that price. You can easily negotiate down to €1.50 or get 3 bottles for $5. Being in a city that has stood for nearly 3,000 years is a surreal experience. You're walking where gladiators fought, where charioteers competed, and where emperors ruled. Wherever you decide to spend your time in Rome, remember this: you are standing on the ground that people stood on thousands of years before your time. Savor every moment of it. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel guides. I post new destinations every Thursday at 2 p.m. Remember, we're savoring the world mindfully, one bite at a time. Until next time, keep gallivanting.